That's the only one that has batteries in it. All these other ones have adapters plugged in, all of them. This one has batteries, but right now it's plugged in because the batteries are dead and charging. And him. Some right there, music, harmonica, and Rising Reaper. And the wall right here. All these, that's what's plugged into that wall. All these. He doesn't work anymore. There is Forest Spirit stuff broken. I forgot about him. There's Forest Spirit stuff that doesn't work. Deadlift Zombie, Gravedigger, and there's and the Spider and the Devil.